This video shows how to buy shares of Evotec SE, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker EVO, and gives a concise overview of the company. Evotec provides drug discovery and development services. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EVO to find Evotec SE. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed instrument to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for Evotec SE. Double-check the ticker and listing to confirm this is the right stock. Click Trade or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled as a limit order. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Evotec SE position will appear in your portfolio. Check the link in the description for the eToro example and additional information.